I made almost $4,532 in just 24 hours from an affiliate website entirely generated by AI. And you're in luck because I'm about to spill all the secrets on how you can replicate this incredible success. From crafting your own AI-generated website to driving free traffic, I've gathered all my knowledge into a simple 3-step game plan that could have you making passive income in as little as 1 week. It's no secret that AI affiliate marketing has been blowing up on YouTube and other platforms. Channels like Wisdom Speak have been covering how to make thousands of money through AI affiliate marketing. With the release of OpenAI Sora to create hyper-realistic scenes, it is no doubt that any marketer that doesn't use AI in their affiliate marketing will be left behind. So without further ado, let's get into the creative process. Our plan is to lay out the most simple steps for you. Here is a rundown. 1. Create your website using AI. 2. Learn all about affiliate marketing. 3. Drive traffic to your affiliate website with 3 techniques I'll share with you. Now let's get started. To kick off our journey to passive income, the first step is to create a website using AI. Trust me, you're going to love this part. I highly recommend checking out Hoku's AI website builder. Just head over to their website, hit the Get Your AI Website button, and you're on your way. You'll be promoted to provide some key info about your site, like its name, niche, type, and the features you want. This info helps the AI work its magic and tailor-make a website that perfectly fits your vision. So, take your time, get those creative juices flowing, and let's build something amazing together. After you've filled in your details, you'll get to pick from 3 awesome website designs. Simply choose the one that catches your eye the most. Your stunning, ready-to-go website will be generated in a flash by AI. Now you're all set to take on the digital world. Now let's talk about step number 2, affiliate marketing. If you're eager to rake in some passive income, this is where the magic happens. So listen up. To start bringing in those sweet bucks, we've got to focus on 2 key things. First up, we need to find some top-notch affiliate products to promote on our website. Lucky for us, there are 2 fantastic platforms I swear by, and they won't cost you a dime. My personal go-to is Amazon's affiliate program. It's super easy to sign up, and once you're in, you can pick any product from Amazon's vast selection to promote on your site. Just find something you love, click on that button to create your own affiliate link, and you're ready to roll. Another awesome tool I'd recommend for hunting down affiliate programs is ClickBank. Once you're signed up, you'll gain access to a treasure trove of affiliate programs covering a wide range of products. What's great about ClickBank is that it not only gives you access to a plethora of options, but also provides insights into how well different products have performed for other affiliate marketers. This way, you can cherry-pick the most successful ones to promote on your website. And let me tell you, some of these products offer hefty commissions. We're talking hundreds of dollars per sale. Just imagine, with just 10 sales, you could be pocketing over $1,000. That's the power of affiliate marketing in action. If you're down with the idea of aiming for financial freedom through passive income, just hit me with a yes and drop a comment mentioning what country you're from. This way, I'll know exactly where our viewers are from. And trust me, it'll help me tailor all my future videos for all of our subscribers. Once you've nailed down your affiliate products, it's time to craft content for your website. And guess what? We've got just the tool for the job, Copy.AI. It's a game changer, trust me. All you gotta do is head over to their site, sign up for free, and hit the New Project button. From there, you can ask the AI to whip up some top-notch content for your affiliate website. For instance, let's say you're promoting some gadgets. Just ask Copy.AI to write an engaging article highlighting the 5 gadgets you found on Amazon or ClickBank. Once you've got your masterpiece, simply hop back over to your website builder, click on Edit Website, and add your new article. With Copy.AI, content creation has never been smoother. One of the coolest things about Hokus is its ability to hook you up with various apps that jazz up your site. You name it, they've got it. Whether it's selling products, booking services, or flaunting customer recommendations. Since we're cooking up an affiliate website, we'll be activating the blog app. Once you've got it fired up, you'll spot it chilling in the side panel. Just click on it, whip up a fresh post on a blank page, and guess what? You've got yourself a new page on your site. Now, all that's left to do is paste in that article Copy.AI wrote for us, add some images, tweak the layout, toss in some widgets, up to you. Check it out. But hold up, we've still got one tiny inconvenience to tackle. Now let's face it, all our hard work goes to waste if nobody's checking out our affiliate site, right? So here comes the grand finale. Step 3. Driving traffic to our website. It's the glue that holds our whole strategy together. I've got 3 techniques up my sleeve, but I'll let you in on a little secret. The third one is my absolute favorite. Hey, quick heads up. Not many folks watching my videos hit that subscribe button. If you're vibing with this content and find it valuable, think about tossing a subscribe with notifications on. It's totally free and you can always unclick it later if you change your mind. That way, I can shoot you a heads up whenever I drop a fresh money-making strategy. Let's kick things off with technique number 1, search engine optimization. Now listen up because this is crucial stuff. If you can get Google to put your website at the top of the search results, then that's a huge win. Think of thousands of clicks and thousands of sales. But here's the million-dollar question. How on earth does a new unknown website climb the ranks on Google, especially when there are big famous affiliate sites hogging the spotlight? Well, here's the deal. If you decide to write an article about the latest iPhone, chances are you won't beat the big dogs in the affiliate game who are all over that topic. But don't worry, there's a savvy workaround. Instead of chasing after the same old popular products, why not set your sights on the hidden gems? You know, the ones lurking on the second page of Amazon or the third page of ClickBank. With less competition, you've got a fighting chance to shine on search engines like Google. And here's the secret. Sprinkle in those keywords in your title, meta description, and content, and you're well on your way to getting that coveted first page spot on Google. Let's move on to technique number 2, ads. I gotta admit, this one isn't free. But hey, hear me out. Although this requires you to open your wallet, I can guarantee you this technique does the trick. They helped me reel in that initial audience during the first year, and even though I had to shell out a bit upfront, those ads paid for themselves in no time from the revenue generated by the affiliate links. But hey, I get it, not everyone's got cash to splash on ads, and that's totally cool, which is why I've got one last technique in store for you. Alright, let's get into technique number 3, YouTube. Picture this, instead of spending your cash for YouTube ads, why not leverage the power of the YouTube algorithm for free? Here's how it works. Let's say you've got an article on your website about the top 5 gadgets in 2024. Now, why not whip up a YouTube video with the same title? In the video description, drop a link to your website's article. Sure, ranking high on Google might be tough, but on YouTube, it'll be easier. It's the second largest search engine out there. And you'd be surprised how quickly your video can climb the ranks and drive traffic to your affiliate website. Why not blend all 3 techniques together to ramp up your earning potential to the max? Think about it. By harnessing the power of SEO optimization, ads, and YouTube, you're covering all your bases and casting a wider net for potential customers. Instead of putting all your plans in just one technique, why not spread your efforts across these 3 awesome strategies and watch your income soar? It's all about mixing and matching to find the winning formula that works best for you. If you enjoyed today's video, don't forget to hit that like button below. It's a small gesture, but it means the world to us and helps us keep bringing you more awesome content like this. And hey, while you're at it, why not hit subscribe too? That way, you'll be the first to know about all the latest tips, tricks, and opportunities to make money online. Trust me, you won't want to miss out. Also, one quick thing. Are you looking for other unique ways to earn some extra money? Check out the first link in the description below. You'll find a great way to earn free PayPal money by watching short YouTube videos. This method is perfect for everyone, regardless of experience, and can help you make up to $700 per day. The linked video below will walk you through the process step by step, so why not give it a try? It's an easy and productive way to earn some extra income. Thanks for joining us on Fortune Innovators, where we make making money online an everyday reality. Until next time, happy earning!